StockPulse newsroom. We are talking Revival Gold today. Revival Gold trades is RVG, Toronto Venture Exchange, and RVLGF on the OTCQX here in the States. And a little exploration update we're going to do with the CEO here. So Hugh Agro, appreciate you taking the time. I know you're a busy guy here. It's the summer. The work's going on here. Maybe not a lot of market respect, I guess you'd say, but you're a treasure hunter. You've been through this before. You're busy. Give people a little update on what's going on with Revival Gold.
Thanks, Rob. First, I got to say, look, we're very excited about the Silver Symposium coming up here at the end of this month in Coeur d'Alene. It's a great venue. We've got our VP Engineering Development attending that conference and looking forward to that crowd. I know you've got some great speakers there. Jeff Christensen, Nick Hodge, some really knowledgeable investors in the space for a great conversation. So kudos to you for bringing the Silver Symposium back to Coeur d'Alene. Look, Revival Gold has had a busy summer. We've got a drill rig pushing away in the Joss high-grade target area. We've intersected the target zone there. We just put out a press release to that effect. We'll have the assays in September. You may get a sneak preview of those, though, at the Silver Summit with John Mayer being present. And through the course of the next 2-3 months, we'll be putting out drill results, engineering updates. Busy time for Revival.
Yeah, and not to get too forward here with you, Hugh, but I guess when we're turning the page here on the new year here, investors who maybe took a shot here at levels that are really almost unprecedented for the work you've done, how are they going to be rewarded, do you think?
Look, the analyst price targets for our company are in the order of 2, 3, 4 times where we are today. We don't focus on the near-term vibrations in the market. What we're interested in, I think, is the long-term potential for precious metals right now, inflationary environment, a very consistent tightening that's going on across the global central banks. This bodes well for gold. I think there's a recognition that these fiat currencies are underpinning, are destroying value, in effect, on real assets. Are the place to be. So gold has a great long-term future in that context. What we've done at Beartrack-Arnett, taking the resource up to now 4 million ounces of gold, developing in the high-grade zone at Joss, and advancing the engineering in a great state, Idaho, in the western U.S., is create value for our investors. And I think those long-term investors recognize that there's a 2, 3, 4 times return for that work we've been doing. And we can't look at the vibrations in the market month to month or day to day. I think it's the long term that we're focused on.
Yeah, and I guess to that point there, Hugh, gold actually hanging in pretty good here, considering silver could probably be a little higher, I would think, but I have to believe these are some pretty comfortable levels for you to operate that company.
Oh yeah, our resource was done at $1,800 gold, which is where we are plus or minus today. Of course, our economics on the PEA were done at a lower level, a $1,600 gold. We've got a project with a significant return, a high NPV, brownfield site. And the resource keeps growing. Our finding cost is running at about $5 an ounce in the ground. And so at $1,800 gold, there's a lot of margin there to potentially be delivering up for our owners and in a great location. Teams delivered and we'll continue to deliver.
Okay, well, we'll leave it there and look forward to checking back in. I certainly see John here and at the Silver Symposium. We're going to be actually in Spokane, Hewitt, over at Quest, but close enough to Coeur d'Alene, real close to a whole bunch of silver there. And of course, you guys down here in Mid-State working hard. So Hugh Agro, he's CEO, Revival Gold, RVG Venture, RVLGF, OTCQX. Hugh, appreciate the support and look forward to checking back in when you have some more updates.
Thank you, Rob.